friends, it is running kimono, and my goodness gracious, this is a very low out-of-pocket week with some tremendous freebies over at Walgreens. You just got to get creative. So the first deal we're going to talk about, if you got no boosters, you have absolutely nothing, this is the deal for you. To grab 2 Garnier Fructis products, 2 whole blends, and 2 Loreal Elvive. I call it Elvis because I think that's just about the stupidest name for a shampoo. People will fight me in the comments though. We're going to grab 2 of these guys. They are on a promotion, 2 for $8. We have this 2 off of 2 IVC coupon. Load it or get the cashier to scan it from the big book of savings, along with this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2, and this showed up this morning. It's a very high value coupon. We're also going to grab 2 Fructis products, and to my surprise and delight, hairspray is included. Yes. And I mean, to get really inexpensive hairspray, yeah, this is totally what I wanted to buy. So they are 2 for $7, and I'll show you the digital coupons here in a quick second, along with 2 of the whole blends shampoo, also the same price, 2 for $7. Now, these are the digital coupons that you have to load that include a 3 off of 2 for the whole blends and a 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis. Here's the math, guys. 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $7, 2 of the whole blends for $7, 2 Loreal Elvives for $8, for a total of $22. Get the cashier to scan the 2 off of 2 IVC or load it digitally. $2 will melt off right there, along with $10 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $10 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 6 or 83 cents per. Now, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards. This, I believe, is to spend 20, get this back. So my understanding is that you can't, but you can give it a shot if you want, but you're getting a store coupon of $5 off any beauty products if you wanted to get more shampoo or hairspray or whatever you want. I mean, this is really fantastic. Now we're going to do the same deal, but we're going to get a little bit creative to use this booster, which is 5 back when you spend 22, along with, this came out of the Catalina machine last week for me, which is $4 back when you spend 20, which is a very nice one to receive. So I was really happy with that. I'm just going to show you really quickly what my basket looks like. I have 2 of the Fructis hairsprays, 2 whole blends shampoos, and 2 Elvives, along with 1 palmolive dish soap for $2.49. So here it is for $2.49, so it's 50 cents off, plus we have a $1 digital coupon for this specific dish soap. For those of you that are like, I need to see the tag, here it is. And then just to show you the digital coupon, here it is. At the mathematics for this, 2 of the Garnier Fructis for $7, 2 whole blends for $7, 2 Loreal Elvives for $8, and 1 palmolive for $2.49. I have my 5 back when you spend 22 loaded. That's a digital booster. Plus I got the cashier to scan the paper one, which is 4 back when you spend 20. So the total for all of my magic is $24.49. That IVC for Elvive is scanned. So the new total is $22.49. $2 came off. Plus, I have $11 in digitals that melted off right there. I'm paying $11.49 with my debit card, getting back that $5 register reward, plus $9 in Walgreens cash. 5 and 4 for the 2 boosters, that's $9. It makes this basket free, plus a $2.51 moneymaker. As I'm using boosters and that weird promotion of spend 20 on beauty care, get back the 5, I cannot use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. And just to show you guys, yes, my best friend printed. So, I mean, I'm going to use this probably, I'm thinking some body wash I'd like to get or something cheap. Probably hairspray because I gave my mom recently all of my hairspray. So I think that's something I might have to stock up on. Flintstone vitamins, $9.49, and they are $7.99 curbside. So this deal will have to be done curbside, guys, and I apologize. That is way too much what they're asking in store. They must think that we're independently rich or Warren Buffett or something like that, because this is way too much. Let's jog through this deal one more time. This is the digital coupon that you need, which is a $3 off of one of those Flintstone vitamins. Plus, we have this guy, which is 5 back when you spend 22, which is a booster we have loaded. As we're doing it curbside, we can't use that paper one with. It's just the breaks of this. Coupons.com has a $3 back, which is really nice. So make sure that you have this. And then if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, I have $3 back when you spend 15. This is still valid, so I'm definitely going to utilize that. Here's the curbside magic. So I'm ordering this through my desktop computer or cell phone and then driving to the store and getting it. 4 of those vitamins is $23.97. Subtracting that $3 digital, plus I have my booster loaded, I am paying $20.97 with my debit card, credit card, getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, and then 10 for, buy 2, get $5 of Walgreens cash for Flintstone. I'm also making a $3 submission to Fetch and $3 to coupons.com, making this free. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and do this deal curbside. When you get to the store, do not check in. Just get yourself to the photo department and then find an employee and say, I'm here, so they will print you a receipt. I know a lot of people have been having snafus with that. Okay, so the next bunch of deals are just deals I think that are absolutely spectacular. So this all is $3.49. I'm going to show you the tag right here. Load this specific digital coupon, which is $1.50 off, all or Snuggle. You pick what you want. So grabbing one of these all packs for $3.49, subtracting that digital, you're paying $1.99. It is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this like without a booster. Yes, absolutely, go for it. It's just some very inexpensive laundry detergent pods. My husband loves this, so why not? And then this deal, 4 for $9 for the Downy Tide Simply, or there's some sort of scent bead in there as well. Whatever you want. Yes, you can mix and match. And then I'll just show you really quickly what I picked up. I got 2 bottles of the Downy softener, 1 bounce dryer sheet, and 1 Tide Simply. So this is $9 for the 4 items. Plus, I wanted to utilize this, which is $5 off a P&G product. I got to use these. So grabbing 4 of these for $9, I used one of those along with $4 in Walgreens cash, and I just paid the tax. Another really good deal for some inexpensive toilet paper this week is either the Quilted Northern or the Angel Soft. You pick. I went with the Quilted Northern. I really wanted something fancy today. Here's the tag, $6.79. It's usually $8.79, so that is very expensive. We have a $1 digital coupon. Here's the math, guys. $6.79, subtracting that $1 digital. I used $5 in Walgreens cash and paid 79 cents and dramatically laughed all the way to my car. If you want to get the Angel Soft, also it's on the same promotion, and I believe we have a $1 digital that's attaching to that. Just if you like the fancier toilet paper, this is an opportunity to get some fancy toilet paper. Now, before we leave Walgreens, let's have another giveaway for a $10 Walgreens gift card. To participate in this, you got to be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per subscriber, and the winner will be picked on Friday, the 26th of August. This is completely free to enter. I pay for the card and the shipping, and the winner's name will be pinned on Friday morning, and I will give the winner up the weekend to get to me. I usually email or Instagram, and I will ship that card out. So good luck, my friends. Now let's head over to the Dollar General. I was messing around over there and I found a great little deal, so I was very happy to grab 3 of these Crest Complete with Scope, found in the dollar spot, and then exactly $2 of clearance merchandise, part of a clearance event happening this weekend. This is the specific one, 2.7 ounces. You will find this guy specifically in the dollar spot section at your store. And that's where I found it. And just to show you the UPC, if you wish to scan this in the app, do I have it? Do I not have it? Here is the UPC. There are 2 digital coupons that are giving a bit of overage, including this $2 off, so please make sure you have it, along with the 3 off of 2. So if you didn't use them, it's going to give you some overage for these purchase of the 2 products. Grabbing 3 of those toothpaste for 3 on the nose, and I bought $2 of clearance merchandise. Those little dish towels were 50 cents each, so 4 of them is $2. And then subtracting the $2 off and then the 3 off of 2, that's $5 of digitals. I get overage over here, so I just had to pay tax on this one. Not all stores offer overage. Hopefully you know if your store does or does not. It'll either be free toothpaste or free plus, $2 overage. I made a video on Friday about a whole bunch of different beverages and all this magic. Most of this stuff was 15 cents each. I provide all the UPCs if you want to check that out. Today, which is the 21st, is the last day of this sale. So if you have a Dollar General and some of this stuff is in stock, grab your coat and get to the store. So if you might have an Office Max, I went on Saturday because I had not much going on. So I was like, I'm going to check this out. And a lot of this stuff about a month ago was 70% off. And my store still had a good amount of it. So I went to the back of the store and asked one of the the clerks or whatever. I'm like, could you scan this for me? And to my surprise, a lot of this stuff was ringing up 90% off, including the Scotch Brite Advanced Soap Control Dish Wand. So you put the soap in, do your dishes, and this was $6.99 at my store, and it's down to 69 cents. So what you're going to do to see if your store might have this, and when this stuff was 70%, it was like, $2 for this. Who's going to buy that? Go to the Dollar Tree and get it for cheap. Go to that site, brickseek.com. Here is the UPC. Just type this in along with your zip code and see if your store might have it. I know that Kendall, the freebie guy, was snagging them. He's in Texas somewhere. He was getting them for, I think, like 65 cents, but up here they were 69 cents a pop. And my store, according to BrickSeek, said that they had a good amount of them. So I actually asked one of the managers at the front, I'm like, could you possibly look for this? And she was like, absolutely no problem. And she came back with this, and I was like, wow. I did find 4 of them on the floor myself, but it said that there was like 18, and that's what I got, all 18 of them. It's such a good deal. Also, this on the regular shelf, again, nothing was tagged. It was $1.94 for 3 of these, and it's the ocean scent. So definitely go to that site, BrickSeek, type in your zip code along with this UPC and see if your store might have it. And if it's anything like mine where they didn't tag anything just because, you might actually score quite a bit of merchandise, because this is pretty crazy. And just to show you my receipt, like I paid $16 for that whole basket of magic. It was like $130 of savings. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.